I broke off the tip. This is like my look. This is my kind of like daily vibe. Yeah, no, if you're not Cynthia Erivo, don't even try that. Nuts. So today we're gonna try out our r.e.m makeup sets. Yay! Cue the music.
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to.
I'm so excited about the Elphaba colors because I'm like, that is up my alley. I think also the lip liner will probably show up a little bit better, I'm thinking. Oh, this one is also really beautiful. They weren't playing with this collab really. It's just, okay. We got it! Oh my god, this is just so beautiful. Like, look at that detail. They weren't playing with the details, really. Just so beautiful. To be honest, my honest review is, I love this collection actually. I would use both the Elphaba and the Glinda sets. And it's so beautifully packaged. It's like nothing's getting out. I really love this collection. We're going for Elphaba's colors are very like cozy and toasty and very fall winter. So I'm definitely like, I'm feeling that coziness. Got my little green sweater. So we're gonna do our look. I just need to see that bomb. Ooh. This is like a blush and lipstick. Okay, that is my kind of blush color. And for liquid eyeshadow, is it like a nice glittery, shimmery, dark green, brownish green. So it's kind of like a nice color, like a very muddy. But this color is just, it just looks perfect against my skin tone. I think that will. To be honest, this whole collection is just, everybody can use it. These would make also really nice like toppers, eyeshadow toppers, you know. It's just so easy to put on. It's easy, it glides. Yes. Yeah, I like to take a little bit of that blush right into the corner. Just like, it gives it a nice cohesive color on your nose. Yeah. I'm heavy on the blush kind of girl. This is very nice. It's very creamy, easy glide. I love it. So I'm thinking we need a little eyeliner, like a brown liner. I think would be just a simple, easy liner. We need to add some mascara. I really like this blush. It's just really... I think we need a little more on this side. It's just such a nice, easy, like glowy blush. I'm so excited about the lip liner. Okay, first of all, this color. Yep, that is for me. I broke off the tip. And that always happens to me whenever you get heavy. But yeah, no, it's very nice, very creamy. Ooh, it's not very like long wearing, but it's still there. Like I'm trying to rub it off, but it's still there. So it's a very good.
6.5 hours later.
Ooh, yeah, that is a really good lip liner. Let's try on the lip gloss. Ooh. Oh, so it's like a nice brown shimmery gloss. This is my color. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. If you're not Cynthia Erivo, don't even try that. Nuts. This looks beautiful. We're gonna add some earrings. Yeah, no, this is so beautiful. I could wear this every day. This is like my look. This is my kind of like daily vibe. This looks cute. Which look did you guys like? Let me know in the comments down below if you liked any of the looks. If you didn't like none of them, you could also say, girl, this is not your vibe. This is not for you. Better luck next time. I really love this look. This is so chic. Well, that's it for my look. Thank you for watching and see you next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Delicious foodie fun. Come along with Huda. We've just begun.